Ahamefuna, my son.
Yes, Papa.
Remember what I told you? Pride is a dangerous thing. When you are proud, life has a way of humbling you.
Yes, Papa. So pride is a heavy burden to carry.
That's right, my son. So always strive to be responsible, humble, and free from pride.
Okay, Papa. Papa, I can see you are very humble.
Well, you're not far from the truth. That's something you should learn from me, Ahamefuna.
Papa.
Yes, my son.
I have a question.
Go ahead, my boy. Go ahead.
Your younger brother, Uncle Obi, is very proud, right?
Very proud. You're right, Ahamefuna.
Papa, he is very rich. And you, the humble, are very poor. Why?
Well, Ahamefuna, you see, life is like a palm tree. And no matter how much water a farmer drinks, the rain will still fall on the roof. Jesus!
Papa, I don't understand. What is the connection between life, a palm tree, farmer, and rain on the roof?
My son, there are some things you will not understand.
So being humble is better than being rich with pride.
Go to the backyard and help your mother in the kitchen.
This is clean.
This man! But there's a sense there. Are you sure I'm not the one that is proud and life is trying to humble me?
No, wow. Some people too do.